Ahead of India launch, the Citroen C5 Aircross has earned a 4-star safety rating in the latest round of crash test conducted by the Euro NCAP. The Citroen C5 Aircross scored 33.4 points out of 38 for adult occupancy, 42.6 out of 49 for child occupants, 27.9 out of 48 for pedestrian safety and 9.8 out of 13 for its safety assist systems. The test results for the C5 Aircross were good across different parameters. However, the autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system was deemed marginal by the Euro NCAP. The test model was equipped with 6 airbags, seatbelt pretensioners and load limiters, ISOFIX child seat mounts and seatbelt reminders. The India-bound C5 Aircross will be manufactured at CK Birla's facility in Tiruvallur, Tamil Nadu and is due for launch sometime by the end of 2020. The Citroen C5 Aircross will be powered by a 1.5-liter engine that produces 128 bhp. The engine will come mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox.